Have you ever wondered why hurricanes form more frequently on the east coast of the US than the west coast? Since hurricanes are a type of tropical cyclone, they need to be above warm surface ocean water to form. The ocean's water along the west coast is cold, but the water on the east coast is warm. Which is why you'll see tropical storms and hurricanes mostly forming in warm areas around the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic. Hurricane season is the time period in which the development of severe hurricanes becomes more frequent due to the increase in temperature of the water in the Atlantic Ocean, which starts from June 1st and lasts till November 30th. So with hurricane season approaching, stay on the lookout and stay safe.